Hello, friends. Welcome to the Desire channel. In this video, we're going to introduce you to a powerful AI tool that can enhance your image design process and boost your workflow. In a world where AI is constantly pushing boundaries, new tools have emerged that make design faster, more professional, and more creative. Today, I want to introduce you to a platform that's a game changer, especially for designers, particularly those working in architecture and sketch design. This tool helps bring your ideas closer to reality while saving you time. So, if you're looking for a new way to elevate your work, stay with me until the end of this video. Next, we'll explore the details of this tool and how to use it. Stick around. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can use your own hand-drawn sketches or pre-made ones. I'll be using pre-made architecture sketches for this tutorial. First, I'll download a few sketches to use on the platform. Go to the Prom AI website. In the top right corner, sign up using Google or any other account of your choice. After signing up, you'll be directed to a selection page where you pick 3 options that match your needs. Then, click Next. In the next step, I'm selecting Architect Designer because I'll be using this for architectural designs. Click Done, and we move on to the next section. Exploring the tools. Here, we can choose from various AI-powered tools. I'm selecting all of them, including Sketch Rendering, Exterior Renovator, AI Architecture Generator, Scenario Changer. Keep in mind that you get 10 free credits. If you like the platform, you can switch to a paid plan for unlimited usage. Now, let's dive into the actual tools. On the left panel, click on AI Tools. This is where you'll find all the features. You'll see options for image generation, image editing, video workflow, game and anime tools, and much more. For this tutorial, I'll be using the sketch rendering tool, generating an AI rendered image. Now, let's see how the sketch rendering tool works. First, I'll go to the sketch rendering section. Here, we have two options: use an example sketch or upload our own sketch. I'll click on Upload Image and select the sketch I downloaded earlier. Once the sketch is uploaded, we need to set up our prompt and choose the right settings. There are many customization options available. Let's go through them step by step. Building type, I'll select residential building because I want a house design. Building style, there are many styles available, but I'll go with minimalist crystal lattice for a modern look. Environment, this controls the overall setting of the design. I'll choose by the mountain stream for a natural, scenic background. Perspective and lighting, I'll keep these at their default settings. NCE, everything is set up, I'll click Generate. Each time we generate an image, we get 3 different variations, and it uses up some of our credits. the results look great. We can now download the final image. Exploring subscription options. If you like the results and want more features, you can check out the monthly and yearly subscription plans. This will allow you to generate unlimited images without worrying about credits. Converting the image into a video now. I want to turn this image into a video. I'll use the Image to Video tool. Here, we have several animation styles to choose from. I'll enter a short camera movement prompt to guide the animation. Then, I'll click Generate. This process uses 2 credits, but in just a few seconds, our video is ready. Looks awesome, right? Enhancing the image with HD Upscaler. Now, let's improve the quality of our image. I'll use the HD Upscaler tool. I'll upload the image we just generated and click Generate. As you can see, the quality is now much better. This is great if you need high-resolution images for your projects. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Also, check out Chrome AI for more amazing tools that can help with your designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.